Welcome back to my channel Miss Medicine. This is the quick review of general medicine. So let's get started. Lung carcinoma. Most common to produced hypercalcemia is squamous cell carcinoma. Most common cavitating lung carcinoma is squamous cell carcinoma. Most common type of lung cancer is adenocarcinoma. Second most common lung cancer, squamous cell carcinoma. Lung cancer with worst prognosis is small cell carcinoma. Best prognosis among lung cancer is squamous cell carcinoma. Most common metastatizing to opposite lung is adenocarcinoma. Lung carcinoma most responsive to radiotherapy is small cell carcinoma. Lung cancer most sensitive to chemotherapy is small cell carcinoma. Most common type in non-smokers is adenocarcinoma. Most common in peripheral location is adenocarcinoma. Most common in young patient, adenocarcinoma. Most common in females is also adenocarcinoma. The next is spots. Koplik spots seen in measles. Roth spots seen in SABE. SABE is subacute bacterial endocarditis. Roth spots is also known as Litton's sign. Next spot is Bitot spots seen in vitamin A deficiency. Next spot is Tiriasis rosea. Next is hyperkalemia. Serum potassium more than 5.5 milliequivalent per liter. Pseudohyperkalemia. Hemolysis of blood sample or the release of potassium from RBCs, WBCs and platelets. Hyperkalemia is associated with digitalis intoxication, beta blockers, acute intravascular hemolysis, acute oliguric states and severe crush injury. Next is respiratory failure. Type 1, parenchymal disease, ARDS, pneumonia, emphysema. Type 2, COPD, flail chest, etc. Next is asthma, increased leukotrienes, hyperresponsive airways, constriction of small airways, Kurtzman spirals are seen. FEV1 improves maximum with bronchodilator therapy. Next is emphysema and chronic bronchitis. Smoking is an important predisposing factor. Alpha antitrypsin deficiency is associated with pan-acinar emphysema. Breathlessness is a characteristic feature. And diurnal variation in peak expiratory flow rate is seen. Next is bronchiectasis. Nodular bronchiectasis is seen in infection with Mycobacterium avium. Chest X-ray shows tram track lines. Most common site left lower lobe. Clubbing is seen. Investigation of choice is HRCT scan. Bronchiectasis does not predispose to lung carcinoma. Next is Cartagner's syndrome. It shows situs inversus, bronchiectasis and sinusitis, and it can cause infertility. Next is pleural effusion. Exudative pleural effusion is seen in RA, bronchogenic carcinoma, etc. Blood-stained pleural effusion seen in pulmonary infarction and metastatic carcinoma. Low glucose in pleural fluid is seen in RA and empyema. Increased amylase in pleural fluid seen in pancreatitis, esophageal perforation, burns and adrenal insufficiency. ECG changes, shortening of QT interval, PR interval prolongation, tall peak T wave and acute emergency treatment is calcium gluconate, sodium bicarbonate and insulin. Next is hypomagnesemia, associated with inadequate intake, alcohol, impairment of gut or renal absorption, oftenly with hypocalcemia and hyperphosphatemia. EMG studies myopathic potentials. Next is hypocalcemia, pseudohypoparathyroidism, no deficiency of parathormone, but target organ is bone and kidney are unresponsive to its action. Next is Chvostek's sign, contraction of facial muscles elicited by light tapping of the facial nerve. ECG changes, prolongation of QT. Next is metabolic disorders, respiratory acidosis, increased CO2 and HCO3 reduced pH. Metabolic alkalosis, raised HCO3, CO2 unchanged, raised pH. Metabolic acidosis is seen in lactic acidosis, diabetic ketoacidosis, renal tubular acidosis, and ethylene glycol. Next is breathing. Paradoxical breathing is seen in diaphragmatic palsy, amphoric breathing seen in pneumothorax, cavernous breathing seen in cavity, tubular breathing seen in consolidation. Next is lung disease. Obstructive lung disease, reduced FEV1, FVC. Restrictive lung disease, reduced FVC, and raised FEV1 divided by FVC. Next is cholesterol in pleural fluid, RA, TB, and hypothyroidism. Next is Mycoplasma pneumoniae. It causes atypical pneumonia in younger patients. Chest radiography is bilateral consolidation. Serology is helpful in diagnosis, and treatment is erythromycin. Next is hypersensitive pneumonitis. Farmer's lung, caused by Micropolyspora fani, which associated with moldy hay. Next is bagasosis, which caused by Thermoactinomycetes sacchari, associated with sugarcane dust. Next is pulmonary TB. Acid fastness of Mycobacterium tuberculosis is due to mycolic acid and cell wall, and Esmond's focus infraclavicular lesion of chronic pulmonary tuberculosis. Next is primary pulmonary TB, peripheral lesion, accompanied by hilar paratracheal lymphadenopathy, Ghon's focus, healed primary pulmonary tuberculosis. It associated with fibrocaseous lesion or helicobacter conjunctivitis, unilateral lymphadenopathy usually, post-primary tuberculosis. It causes popcorn calcification, hemorrhagic pleural effusion, and cavitation can occur. Next is Pneumocystitis carinii. It is an opportunistic pathogen, fungus causing pneumonia in AIDS, damage of type 1 pneumocytes, hypertrophy of type 2 pneumocytes, interstitial pneumonitis. Seen with immunological deficiencies, defects in cell-mediated immunity, and hematological malignancies. X-ray of P. carinii pneumonia shows bilateral diffuse infiltrates in perihilar region, eosinophilic infiltrates. P. carinii pneumonia in adults mainly presents as alveolar predominant, interstitial in children. Treatment is cotrimoxazole. Next is small cell lung carcinoma. Most common carcinoma causing superior vena cava syndrome, causes paraneoplastic syndrome, Cushing syndrome, SIADH, and treated by chemotherapy. Next is pulmonary embolism. Most common and earliest manifestation is dyspnea. ECG findings S1Q3T3 signs seen on chest X-ray are Hampton signs and West Mark sign. Plasma D-dimer ELISA level is elevated more than 90%. Investigation of choice CT scan. Gold standard investigation pulmonary angiography, and Wells grading is done. Next is ARDS, diffuse alveolar damage and shock lung. It causes hypoxia, hypocapnia, acute onset of respiratory failure, ground glass appearance, air bronchogram sign is positive, associated with pancreatitis, trauma, and multiple blood transfusions. Next is pulse, pulsus bisferens, collapsing and slow rising, seen in aortic stenosis with aortic regurgitation. Water hammer pulse, seen in aortic regurgitation. Pulsus paradoxus, seen in asthma, pericarditis, and cardiac tamponade. Next is JVP, jugular venous pressure. A wave is due to atrial systole, and C wave is due to isometric contraction phase causing bulging of AV walls into atrium. Next is heart sounds. Soft S1 seen in mitral stenosis, long-standing calcified. Loud S1 mitral stenosis, prolonged flow through AV wall, wide split S2 seen in ASD and pulmonary stenosis, reverse splitting of S2 seen in left bundle branch block LBBB, and in aortic stenosis. S3 is heard in children and in hyperdynamic states. Causes of S4 is hypertension and HOCM, hypertrophic cardiomyopathy. Next is ECG. P wave is due to atrial depolarization. QRS complex is due to ventricular depolarization. Duration of QRS complex 0.08 to 0.10 seconds. Next is Wolff-Parkinson's White WPW syndrome. ECG changes, short PR interval, White QRS complex. Management, procainamide, amiodarone and radiofrequency ablation. Next is arrhythmia and drug of choice. Ventricular arrhythmia, lidocaine. Paroxysmal supraventricular tachycardia, drug of choice adenosine. WPW syndrome, drug of choice procainamide or amiodarone. Next is rheumatic heart disease. Major criteria: subcutaneous nodule, rhythma marginatum, Sydenham's chorea, carditis, and migratory polyarthritis. Associated terms: Escrow bodies, antiscope cells and caterpillar cells, pancarditis, and McCallum patch, subendocardial. Next is mitral stenosis, features atrial fibrillation, hemoptysis, pulmonary hypertension, and hoarseness of voice. Most important differential diagnosis is left atrial myxoma. Investigation of choice for MS mitral stenosis is echocardiography. Mitral valves less than 0.6 centimeters square is incompatible with life. Normal is 4 to 6 centimeters square. Next is mitral valve prolapse or floppy valve syndrome. It causes myxomatous degeneration, more common in females. Murmur, mid-systolic murmur. Sudden death can be there, rare complication. HOCM, hypertrophic cardiomyopathy. Echomeso mitral regurgitation. Murmur of HOCM is ejection systolic murmur. Sudden death may be a complication and need to avoid digoxin in hypertrophic cardiomyopathy. Disease is infective endocarditis. Most common cause of subacute endocarditis is Streptococcus viridans. Acute endocarditis is caused by Staphylococcus aureus. Most common in IV drug abusers is Staph aureus, especially with acute presentation. Endocarditis with destruction of underlying myocardium is Liebman-Sachs endocarditis. Osler's nodes, painful pea-sized nodules in pulp of fingers. Janeway lesions, non-tender lesions in soles, palm, spots in retina, rot spots. Conditions with low risk of infective endocarditis is AST. Next is atherosclerosis. Risk factors: low HDL, raised alipoprotein, smoking. Amino acid associated with atherosclerosis: homocysteine organism associated with coronary atherosclerosis, caused by H. pylori and chlamydia. Next is myocardial infarction. ECG change in hyperacute phase is ST elevation. ECG changes in anterolateral infarct is V4 to 6, first, and AVL, left main stem. Next is markers in myocardial infarction. In stable angina, enzymes levels are normal. Enzyme to raise at the earliest is myoglobin followed by CKMB. Sensitive marker for MI is troponin T. Next is CK, rises at 4 to 8 hours, peaks at 16 to 24 hours and returns to normal at 3 to 4 days. Next, troponin T, begins to rise at 4 to 6 hours, peaks at 12 to 24 hours and returns to normal at 7 to 10 days. Next is digoxin toxicity. It is a precipitating factor. Hypokalemia, hypomagnesemia, hypercalcemia and hypernatremia. Features are yellow-green vision and arrhythmias. management, withdrawal of digoxin, potassium supplement, correct arrhythmia, etc. Next is cardiac tamponade. Features are pulsus paradoxus, electrical alternance, raised JVP, X descendants prominent. Chest X-ray findings: big globular heart, back striate present, back striate, hypotension, silent heart, and raised JVP. Next is constrictive pericarditis. Features: right heart failure occurs, raised JVP, prominent X descent, and Cosmos sign is seen in constrictive pericarditis.